was looking for this place. Yeah, I found it finally. Not much to look at though, huh? Thanks. I haven't been out here in like 20 years or so.
Still look the same, huh?
Well, no. I used to do some fishing over at Littleville Dam. And I went onto the boat ramp. I said, this is not the place I came to fish.
This is Nightville.
Well, this is Nightville. I already been to Littleville. Except there's another access road.
Yep.
And I said, this is it. All the flat rocks there. They got it cut off from the rest where the boat ramp is. Yeah, you too. Take a walk down here and see what we got.
Damn.
See, we saw that from 112 over there. I think that was our road over there, over yonder, where we saw the tower.
I told you life is always a pathway. A great dragon who spent his time uniting all the countries of the world told me once, we are always at a pathway in life, but we always at that fork pathway, and at any time we can go the way of our desire and happiness. So we were trying to find this dam, and even though we got lost through the woods, here we are, we wind up right there. Even though we think we're in the wrong place, we were right there, and we could have gotten here any minute, long time ago.
That'll help a lot to look at.
It's all an illusion. Nothing is real except your thought. And right now, I need my cigarette. I'll be right back. That's the spirit the tree's talking to us.
Yes, sir.
Let's go down here.
Right.
Well, it's real here in 3D, of course, but you know, in other world, there is no time and no solidity. You know.
You ever come out? Does this really fill up with a lot of water?
We're from there. I don't know if it has for a long time. In '84, it might have. 84, 85.
Yeah.
We had
How
a lot
high
of
has it
flooding.
come up?
I don't know. I almost think it came over this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You came
Maybe.
over it.
But it's,
All I see is this little stream.
the Westfield River is one of the most dangerous rivers in the East Coast.
Is that right?
Oh yeah, it's a class 4 or 5 whitewater rafter and kayaking. I'm surprised there's that little water right now.
Right. I'm like, this is it? We have a dam here for that little bit of water.
No, it gets nasty.
It's nasty.
Oh yeah.
This acts as a stopgap.
Slows it down.
Yeah.
But I mean, this river before this takes the center of Westfield, go right through the
Really?
city of Westfield. Yeah.
You know, at first what we did is we ended up going down a boat ramp. I said, there's got to be another way around. And then we saw this road that where we came in, this one that comes out. I know, because all the rocks, I kept snagging my line. I remember that. I can probably go online and find out.
Oh, I'm sure.
You said there was a good
Army Corps of Engineers, they'll probably have all sorts of crap on there.
Nightville Dam, do a little research.
Well, I think
Not
it
sure.
did.
I think it did in
I think
Irene.
it was a problem.
That wasn't long ago, right?
No, it was a year and a half ago.
Really?
Yeah. She had a
In
bookstore
August.
in Shelburne Falls and lost the bookstore.
Really?
Yeah.
Deerfield River went
4
right
feet of
through it.
water.
Oh my
4
goodness.
feet of water, and in one side
In
and out
the
the other.
bookstore.
Built up against the glass and kept rising until it had enough pressure to blow the
Blow 'em
doors
out,
open.
yeah.
So there was a lot of water. That's probably the worst one we've had in 50 years.
Yeah.
Wow. That's interesting.
But I seem to remember hearing flooding in Westfield area, so this must have been flooded too.
You know, you're right. It's you know, you don't first time me being here at this location, and I just see it as being, wow, this is so like insignificant. But as you said,
Yeah,
it has flooded out, so
Yeah.
which makes me want to go ahead and research it a little bit and see what's
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah.
We just decided to want to come out today and enjoy the weather and do some filming.
That's a good idea.
Something to do.
Hang around, you can film an electrical storm too.
Yeah, right.
Love is the most important.
It's good to
thing
it's
in
good
this
to
world.
come across some good
And
folks.
key. And we came across some good folks that are in love. And William lost his girlfriend for 5 years because he wasn't willing to get married to her. You know, she used to just want to go in the car and drive, and this is how he used to come around these places. Yes, she was looking for something which he couldn't give her, a marriage.
Yeah, wasn't looking to settle down like that. Huh?
I don't want to bring
I'm
up
too-
bad memories at this time.
No bad memories. It was all good. It's just that I'm just not. I wasn't gonna commit to a relationship like that. Married, tied down, and have someone try to direct my life. You know, when I can direct my own. And now over yonder, we got a gentleman down there with some dogs. In on that. Oh man, shit! I should have known you to move that stuff. But it is nice out here. Even though it's a warm day, the breeze is fantastic. You know? Out here in the direct sunlight, I'm not breaking a sweat. Very little. What are we looking at? 86 degrees today. It's a nice day. As you can see, we got a good breeze. Well, we're out here in Huntington still. Once again, actually, and we're at the bottom of the dam, Nightville Dam. On one side of it. If you look up ahead, you can see the rock formations that lead up to the Nightville Dam. If we go around this bend, we see a little bit more, and we should be able to see the water run off on the other side here. So that we saw from up top. On that. Oh man, shit!
You can see deep down.
That's where we're gonna try to go.
Yeah, where the bikes are and stuff. So we'll try and figure out a way to get down there and come on. Well, this was our mission, to find water. I can hear water running. So see, the universe guides us to finding the water.
That's fun. And we got some folks over here in the mountain with the kids. All right.
All right.
What a beautiful day, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's my baby. Yeah, this is a 1999. 21,000 miles on it. Just like brand new.
This is your first time?
Yeah, I like it. It's nice for traveling. You got your luggage. Carry everything you need. Beautiful place here. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Joe, this is 2 years old? Your bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
This is year two. Year two with the bike.
we got a lot of trout out of here.
Yeah, I bet you a lot of rainbow.
A lot of rainbow.
They stock it?
Pretty tough. rapids, right in that rapids, early morning with dark. Bam!
Well, you're gonna go down and then you're gonna use little BBs and use like a little 8 or 10 size hook.
Okay.
And then use a salmon egg or a worm, and that's really good.
Some nice monsters out of here or what?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is a good. It's a good spot.
Trout is it's a good eating fish, but they have no flavor. You really gotta spice them up.
Spice 'em up.
I like
Wrap them with
striper-
bacon.
I like striper bass. That's my favorite.
Striped bass.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And then here now.
There's a trail here. We can get down towards the water.
Walk,
yeah.
walk
Yeah.
right down here. If
So
you
we're
don't
gonna
want to
do-
walk down this little bit here, there's another trail
Walk the field
over
right
over
down,
over there.
down to the bottom.
Well, you
and,
can walk right here.
You're at the end of the fence. If you walk the field down, you're at the end of the fence.
All right.
Enjoy.
Freaking knees. Look at that, gates open. They say you can catch some nice trout out here. Monsters. This is the Westfield River, east side from what the gentleman up there was just telling us. Oh, I can see, now you can see all the vents. The smaller vents, where the water comes out. Look at that opening. Get a nice shot of that. There's some cold water too. Water can go and what it does as far as it erodes and cuts through the rock. Now, earlier, a couple that we saw up on the dam, speaking in regards to a flood that we had during Storm Irene, which I'm going to do some research on that. But in any case, as we can see that the water has come up quite a bit here. You can see the moss and so forth. The water level has reached up a good 20 feet here plus, so that's interesting. Force of water in nature. It's always interesting. Beautiful water.
Come on, guys, you can trail over here.
Guys, over here!
That's fine.
Not as young as I used to be.
They're going down that way.
You're going that way? Alright, we're going this way.
Oh, get that close up with that mug.
That's right.
Or swim too. I just want to get close to the river for a minute.
Yeah, this is the best. That's the best spot to go to though. Right there.
Yeah. They're having fun.
¡Siempre! Pues, pide permiso para que venga. ¡Llave! ¡Descansar! ¡Love! 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 ¡Love!
Allá va la nena, vete. Neno, ve para allá. Con la nena para arriba. You hungry?
You make it all the way across over there?
What's going on, man? This is how we do it here in New England. You know what I'm saying? We have a good time out here. It's Westfield.
Yo soy boricua, pa' que tú lo sepas. Yo soy boricua, pa' que tú lo sepas. Oye, you just want to record beautiful women, Latin women.
Oh, well, I mean, I speak English.
You don't know what you want. Sí, te va a ayudar.
You can't record us like this.
Está aquí, escúchame. Está aquí. Ya yo le dije. Cintia, pásamelo esto. Ahí está.
So why you want this? I want to be more.
Cintia, ahí. Yo me llamo Carmen del Monte de la Rosa de los Pecados de las Petracas.
We are the most beautiful women in the whole world. You want to see that? I'm going to show you. Look at that beauty. Look at that one. No, I'm going to show you. Look at that one. Look, this one's over here. Over here. I'm going to show you. That's Latina.
Well, let me tell you, there's girls and there's adults. These are girls and we're adults. Mira, dos fucking videos que me has hecho para copiar.
And all the unnecessary unhappiness and depression is all bullshit.
This is a stress-free life right here.
This is the real thing.
With people we don't even know, but they welcomed us, offered us drinks and conversation. Me and Andre pretty much enjoying ourselves, and I was reluctant to get in the water, but I'm glad I did. Although my phones are wet, the lady was nice enough to bring them to shore for me.
One with nature. Take a look around.
Loving the water. Loving the water and the people.
There is, in truth, there is no death. Only infinity is all that is that matters. A long time ago, people could come, our consciousness could come into and out of this realm, this world at will. Anytime at will. They could come in this world and take whatever form they so desire. A tree, a plant, anything that, you know. So, but death and birth is all a manipulation of consciousness into this realm. See? And one thing that is a very great importance is the obelisk. stands for a very good reason to pull in male forces into this world, masculine forces. Away, and an obelisk is on there too. No doubt this consciousness will come back and come back as a male when reincarnated in the next life.
Not much to look at.
You, William, you are everything to look at. You must never say you are not much to look at. And this is one of the purpose of this whole documentary. Taking the rough, I'm taking the position of taking the rough ashlar and refining it into a perfect stone.
Right. Some air back in there. You want to film right down, huh? You wanted me to go what? Oh, it's starting to rain now. To me, she says, "Mommy, look at it, he's all wet."